possible not only this gathering, but also the restoration of our historic Aniniit Church. Dugo ng Antiqueña, tumandak ng taga-Antique. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for our very own Senator of the Philippines, Senator Loren Legarda.
This will be very short and no more acknowledgements. Just my gratitude to the Philharmonic Orchestra. Thank you very much for coming to my home province. And thank you, Mayor Policar, for hosting us here in Aninii. Ito po ang newly restored church, National Cultural Treasure, and newly restored by the National Historical Commission of the Philippines. So you see here a convergence of all the cultural agencies of government. So thank you NTCA, thank you CCP, thank you PPO, thank you provincial government, thank you LGU municipality, and thank you to the people of Antique for loving and supporting culture. This is just the beginning of our gift to you. I am happy to have this national cultural treasure, this heritage church, as the backdrop for the PPO Symphony tonight, which is just the beginning of a resurgence of culture in our dear province where the mountains meet the sea. Let's enjoy the PPO. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy the evening.
Thank you very much, Honorable Senator Loren Legarda. Before the PPO plays, the resident conductor, Sir Hermie Ranera, who is coming over here, center stage, will give a little bit of a background, very short, before they start. Sir, no? Napag-usapan na namin kanina ito. Sir.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. I'm Hermie Ranera, the resident conductor of the Philippine Philharmonic Orchestra. We are very excited and very thankful for your invitation. As mentioned earlier, they were here 25 years ago, and some members who played there were still here, and they still cherish the sweet memories of the hospitality of the Antique. Maraming salamat po for your hospitality. We hope that you will enjoy the music we carefully selected para po sa lahat yun. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Philippine Philharmonic Orchestra, Crew Hard!
Game, Del.